So here's how you can make the screen light up when receiving notifications on an iPhone. So let me show you how it would work. If you are new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Anyways, you can manage it all inside of the settings when you go to the notifications section right there. And in here, you want to make sure that you have every single app set up in a way that it makes sense, right? So for example, you open up the calendar or any social media app, whatever, and you have to at first enable the notifications to begin with, like generally allow them. But then you also want to make sure that you have the lock screen turned on, right? Because, it might happen that you have the lock screen disabled, meaning that you get the notification as a banner if you have the phone unlocked, or you can see the notification in the center, notification center, but it doesn't light up the screen because it doesn't get it delivered to the lock screen, right? So you want to make sure that you have all of the things turned on, right? So that it can actually light up the screen when you receive a notification. And as you can notice, it works on app by app basis. So you will need to set it up specifically and separately for each app that you want to use. So that's the thing which you are probably referring to. So you have to go through the list, perhaps set it up for messages and as well as some other things, right? So that's definitely something that you want to do. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.